Everyone wants to know how they can get Discord Nitro for free. So, I am here to tell you how you can do that. A lot of these methods of getting free Nitro will require you to have a credit card, or they want you not to have Nitro in the past 12 months. But what if you don't have a credit card, or you have had Nitro in the past 12 months? That's where I come to help. This method of mine will work regardless of the fact that you had Nitro in the past, or you don't have a credit card. The reason for this is because you are going to get a gift link of Discord Nitro, not a promotional link like the one you get from Epic Games. You can thank me for this method by subscribing. So the first thing you need to do is click the in description. This is how the link will look like. This is the website which is going to give you free Nitro. And if you are wondering how much time this is going to take, this guy was able to make $10 in just a week. Discord Nitro costs $10, so you will have to spend 1 or 2 weeks and boom, you will have Nitro.
Before we continue, do you know Discord charges you $200 for 3-month 14 server boosts? But I have got a trick that can make you get it for just $20. Go to this website named Boost Supply and then buy server boosts from there. You can pay using crypto or credit card. Not only server boosts, you can also get Discord Nitro, Discord members, and much more. So check out boostsupply.to. Link is in description.
If you want to read more reviews, then you scroll down and look at these reviews yourself. So now what you need to do is log in to this website. You can log in using Google accounts. That is what I am gonna do. Once you are logged in, now you need to start making coins. You can see here that if you follow their social media accounts, then you will get 75 coins. The best and the easiest way to earn coins is by watching videos. But if you don't want to do that, then you can click on this dollar icon to get more ways to earn. So, when you have collected enough coins to get Nitro, then you have to click on this withdraw icon and select Discord Nitro. And now you can finally redeem Discord Nitro. If you don't want to get Nitro, then you can watch this video to get Nitro without completing any offers.